Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Compliment of the season to you all. I greet you from the Republic of Ireland. My name is Iyo Utete. So I want to leave this quick message here to especially adult people on social media cyber space. You see, this Edo guy in the UK, I'm not going to mention his name. So, as you guys are sharing that video where the way your via home, we were saying that when my video ni my fear, my YouTube, blah blah blah. So the more you guys are sharing that video, you guys are also promoting them. You are, making people to know about their events and all. You understand? So if you even mention their name, you are also promoting them. So the best thing not to measure, they don't even bother measuring his name. I'm not when a JJ Barry even or say, only going Latia, where what might be Benny, where a video again, a man met him more, events again, a man met him, ya met him more YouTube, ya met him more Facebook, ya met him share anywhere that is for the public, is for general public. People can carry the video. So igbon wa very oni. No what do tab when the JJ no what do tab with that one any event or you guys are licensed to carry it. Get problem me raw. So igbon wa very oni. What that wa kun show e direct so wa have fear o wa ya mu ye YouTube wow wa mu ye Facebook wow. You guys can do that. You understand? So the other guy not bani here mention any where since only make it clear, I remember he giving somebody strike. Well, what have you be a candidate again? Or I will give on my strike the page of here, So if you're not young, or we're going to have some money. You understand? Only you say the way you of you, me want no boo shy pa. The way of you want no boo me don't understand there at all. Ain't about it, sir. The way of young woman know what me understand. Okay, give me the YouTube. Give me the YouTube. On where video no go fear. Maybe I can when I crack a joke ni. And I wanna watch a party ni bo. On a go mo YouTube. I want to have a boy your way. That person is promoting you. A boy event in Waoya to a pretty ticket in Wahia. The onion see. I don't know if you want a behavior near Kawa behavior, what have you be candidate? A behavior near all best spirit manibu. I don't say manibu go, I promote to a video. What have you be a candidate? Go Facebook at home. Emma use a platform near your promoting. Facebook okay no more. Don't my promoting. We are the body you want a video need. They will know Munani and here was a video. They were doing it with their own mind. Understand? The one they demand to ya one and where a video, my giving a strike or ya reports here. Also, they wanna be a bit. And my cage or one very only or honor ya more Baba Gidari. I know ya want Jesus Christ with no more idea webo. When man I we don't my making and saying, understand? I will not love you go with video near Emma. And the way of young. Anyway, my give me a YouTube with Facebook. I will not go where I video where you're born with. I want to give fear, or give Gagel, or give Piquet, or give Varo, or give money Vero. When I want to read here video near. I saw one only go where sure. A go on all your money page or a go on in there or money may say 10,000 followers with page of it. I want to make 20,000 followers a page of it. That person is promoting you for free of charge. You go Facebook in you go YouTube in here. And when you go one with the way of young. My respect to Mama Eunice or Morege. me ma get my money correct me ka ba en go no wa correct no the way no ya gun eri on ya gun eri on ya appreciate ma was e ma awe video now a blogger ya tiyan ati enemi o enemi wash o aproko enemi o no but this video me una carry out me una call this part me una call that part ma ko ha me blogger we kenya hiafia to help them share the videos no make it not go viral but no okay Nigeria re me he o we no fi we do sha ya gele we ega na danya e wati ati afige ogwakwa amatan o no te o te kaka na gije na wala for na the boy you vien may you take your time o don't dey behave that kind of behavior but man I got behavior you at all we film we ya okay can we how me ma work a movie or when you go we assure and we agbo we na ma gwa go me go to waso ma show me ga una don't discuss am and no be na to be wa video ona imoja when we attack understand we you know we are italo wani wa ha me ma we American wa do fia wa ya mu e ma no ye go we owo ya ni ka wa fi be ka ni regani onyi me ja no onyi ni ina wa la page oge ina wa me bangi like I follow him I unfollowed him for that singular heart. What the hell? We ma the ticket do we you make your money anyways. You understand? Okay, can we have me here Johnny reference a video wa afia wa agia you know the only thing we tell people wa can mahana we event a post argument wa guma show and ma make na me can na the ticket ma make na me can the venue veja that is what you're supposed to be doing and eri mate wa awegani they share posters here I fin in a video here the poster only a picture poster here we the video so I make an idea can the event ye even the caption now I with the video the caption have a big bani so man here we near show give me here wo you might get ticket ya there e nobody no ati na here they was doing it for free of charge come on me no wa la wa gbe na ni ni ya mo YouTube was a video ya jinava when you are to be a promoted me over na contact when nugunya share when not you own when let a blogger when I will allow share video mail collect your money I want to hear me ego no ya gunya share there you see a jinava man understand you nana leave it for them me ma ko enje e marina there a platform people freedom movement me na me we pirate no me wa analyze the matter na we beg yana ubege nya ave emanomasu ave manomasu no do aje gbin ama be webo wa we do do state of master wa mo la webo na e ko ame na still na like call the year ya una say because of video wey people dey share if they not send if you not go share video we know say that person e dey give people strike wa o mani kana isu ni ye ni jeje bari o ko so ni gbon latian we o a video for general public you know anybody no fear o nene or my ya block anybody or gbon latian only clear so the other person no wa wanika ko wa question ni na yan who the publicity ni who promote wa do wa share the video here the name of where want to make a point you are still promoting them one way or another una would make the voice you want to analyze it you are still promoting them the best thing you push on no my video go all the striking way stay away from that person's videos no mo salo bore no ya won Jesus Christ would other one a day stay away from them leave them alone let them promote themselves say man if you want promote let them do it for them you stay clear ya YouTube when we go gaga can carry ya mo striking way I understand mami ave in fact ya me ba ikin ya ro pajo ohun ya crack joke me ikin ya say me ma ikin ya slippers me igba yo we I understand the only person me respect we are Sister Eunice I respect that lady we no ya gwa yon ya gwa cause life in me ro pa ro you go we go me ma me YouTube he area Imu atataki nu we de gbe ya fian. Wona go ni we ya pe ni anu ya na imu afera nu we. We if you ma ji we ya ifian ya na imu YouTube bokin ya. Yes, e sale bere you know. Afinyu me wuriye. Ekwe onwame na ema. You understand? Finyu me wuriye. Ema wa ro e bi do wa ro ni gbe wa ho. Ye we bona wo wa re ni na wa like wa. I get ticket we had the ticket re ni. O bi do pa wa ro wa fi bo ri enu. O ni go ya the ticket o wa ri e wa ki get ticket o ri nu. Ki e no ma gba we do ata lo we Facebook. Enya enya iba fia yeah mo ebo there yeah make you that is rubbish talk. The gbe you fi finyu me we wuriye. Stop it. But understand? Oh no you worry unyi me da no kan yin. No ka dey strike no one. All say ni manipulate biegbe ne. What view ya need it? Am promoting anyhow? Free of charge. Am I away video ya ga? Ya away video ya ga. Ogo ya away nege ni. Most of people ni ga o ma yan je. O ma yan je. You understand? Just when they are just lovers of good things. O jiyan te away. Yeah, he born or he welcome one me here to be. You understand? So they stay away from him. Let him promote himself. And even if you are promoted, let them do it for him. Stay away. Because I'm on Facebook now, no if your video man, that man will not report them. It will not give them strike. You guys know that. I'm on Facebook now, no video piani. Oh, piani reporting ya. But when he care about your report to what. So I see I jiaba, near to be a promoted me. Yeah, when you have the malake me. Why promoted buwa ehunyi na eta na nya wono ika buwa we e de gbe yo via na do you no eta o wonu wa afie video no wa ya mo ye YouTube buwa aha wa afia wa na mo ye YouTube buwa en wa ri me wa ife say. So if you don't want them to give you strike on your YouTube channel or report your Facebook page, stay away from their content. When you have to be promoted buwa, if you are not contact you, let them put it in writing. You send you email, you have that proof, then they have to pay for your service. Yeah, paying with that is the only way that we, appreciate your work. You understand? Well, here promote any event, not a radio station, television station, you pay for it. You don't get it for free. I maybe I love him. That is what people do. You can me on YouTube. How much are they making? Okay, a video when you near what the hell? You know, do you come to abroad every week or every month? Once in a while, we love what they decide to share your video. Maybe a part where nobody crack a joke in here, if you want it. Maybe I wear a kill now. They remember your joke. They decided to go back to that video. Just keep watching it. The money I watch it. What's wrong with people these days? The love of money. You guys are something else. Ultimately, we want to follow at that time. I don't like Malak Egbema, very honest. No, I like simple, easygoing people. When you want to take your life where you gonna your work and say, I know there is nothing to it. When I'm going to JJ party, post no more like any. Oh, you get a worry any. Understand? Not but no why you should leave them alone. Let them share themselves out. Let them promote themselves the way they know how. Leave them alone. Man, when you're very tired, why you block a video? You should stay clear from their videos. Let them do it themselves. You understand? To God who made me. That platform, people freedom movement, we parent me go analyze it. Any with video, I have never sat myself down and listened to whatever they got to say or do. Because my mind, zero, if I zero, I why will you give somebody a strike one money share video? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I just, no. I may something else. I don't hate him. He's doing whatever he's doing. So that doesn't got nothing to do with when you're Jesus president. I really don't care. You understand? So So the way your view was a video and you should leave their video from them. Was here I don't care to know. I don't care. You understand? So a video why see why fear, was do I work while going to your director? While you work while fear. when the sister wouldn't wife why go wafia. Leave it there. When you are to be a promoted being, leave them alone. You know, I just don't like people with such character and attitude towards money. Nenoma, in wagwa. Anyway, honey, no, what a could be video work or YouTube. There is no when we hear the YouTube here, you go nowhere. And all the over going to wear the ticket to Nigeria, the Boji. My brother Galea de Boji. And don't make any lag. Go and hold your body. You take Boji. More understand? 1 year. So stop that. When I make people to be running away from you guys. Other way, though, I supported in any industry. You know what, baby, Sana. The way you're feeling, love, boy, I take Boji. Man, call.